This is how to hide a video on iPhone. Maybe you don't want all eyes to see that video. Follow this step. First, tap on the Photos app to access the photos, videos, and some other things you have there. As the Photos app opens, tap on the video you want to hide. Alright, once the video opens, just as you can see, tap on the three dots at the top right. Then select Hide. Then you'll see a notification like this, say hide video, tap on that hide video. And this video is now hidden. If maybe tomorrow you want to unhide the video, once you get to your Photos app, scroll down. You will see the option named Hidden. Tap on that Hidden. Then tap on View Album and use your Face ID to open the section. Now this has displayed some videos that are hidden. Alright, long press on the one you want to unhide. Then select unhide. Once you do that, the video will be returned to the photos, the main photos section of your iPhone.